Have you ever wondered how the world's wealthiest tech moguls live? Think of names like Larry Ellison, Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk. They've built some of the most incredible homes on Earth. These tech billionaires don't just own regular houses. They own luxury compounds that redefine comfort and exclusivity. From private islands to mansions with futuristic designs, these homes are designed to offer the highest levels of privacy, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. In today's video, we're diving into the top 8 luxury compounds owned by tech billionaires. These are the places where they go to escape the busy world and enjoy complete luxury. Let's explore the estates of the super-rich and discover what makes their homes so extraordinary. 1. Larry Ellison's Lanai Island, Hawaii. Let's kick things off with Larry Ellison's stunning private Hawaiian island, Lanai. In 2012, the Oracle co-founder made one of the most impressive real estate purchases ever, buying 98% of the island for a reported $300 million to $500 million. Since then, he has transformed this isolated paradise into a world of luxury, privacy, and eco-conscious innovation. Lanai isn't just a property, it's an entire ecosystem. The compound includes luxurious villas, private beaches, and even world-class resorts, all designed with sustainability in mind. Ellison's investment in green technology has been groundbreaking. His plan for Lanai includes self-sustaining energy systems, organic farming, and advanced water management, ensuring that the island can stand on its own without relying on outside resources. Beyond just luxury living, Ellison aims to make Lanai a model for environmentally friendly living. For those looking for the ultimate in seclusion and comfort, Lanai provides everything you could dream of. And with a private airstrip on the island, getting to and from this tropical retreat is as luxurious as it gets. 2. Mark Zuckerberg's Palo Alto compound, California. Next up is Mark Zuckerberg's luxurious compound in Palo Alto, California, located right in the heart of Silicon Valley. The Facebook founder purchased 4 adjoining properties, valued at over $30 million, to create his own sprawling private estate. The main house spans an impressive 8,000 square feet, while the entire compound features beautifully landscaped gardens, a natural pond with a waterfall, and an indoor-outdoor design that makes the most of the Californian weather. This compound is truly a tech billionaire's dream. With features like heated floors, smart home systems, and a high-tech kitchen, the entire estate is designed to provide both luxury and functionality. The main house blends modern design with the natural surroundings, ensuring that every corner is perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Zuckerberg's Palo Alto estate is the perfect mix of elegance and technology, offering unparalleled privacy in one of the world's most desirable locations. 3. Jeff Bezos' Medina estate, Washington. Let's head to Medina, Washington, where Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, owns one of the most impressive estates in the world. This massive property spans 29 acres and offers breathtaking views of Lake Washington. The 20,600 square foot mansion features multiple guest houses, tennis courts, and a private dock. But what makes this estate truly special is the level of privacy it offers. The lush gardens, expansive grounds, and numerous living rooms provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and entertainment. Bezos spared no expense when designing this estate, which includes state-of-the-art technology for home automation and comfort. Whether it's controlling the lighting, temperature, or security, everything can be managed with ease. The Medina estate provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a place where Bezos can enjoy the beauty of nature while still being close to the heart of Seattle. 4. Sergey Brin's Beverly Hills Mansion, California. Next, we have Sergey Brin's magnificent mansion in Beverly Hills, California. Known for co-founding Google, Brin's 7-bedroom estate sits on nearly 3 acres of land and offers sweeping views of Los Angeles. With amenities like an indoor basketball court, a home theater, and a massive swimming pool, this mansion is the epitome of luxury. The property also features a state-of-the-art home automation system, allowing Brin to control everything from the temperature to the entertainment systems with just a touch of a button. Brin's mansion is a perfect mix of modern design and privacy, featuring sleek lines and open spaces that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. It's a place designed for relaxation and fun, whether you're enjoying a movie night in the home theater or playing basketball in the indoor court. With an extensive wine cellar and gourmet kitchen, Brin's Beverly Hills mansion is an entertainer's dream. 5. Larry Page's Waverly Oaks, California. Now let's take a look at Larry Page's sprawling estate in Palo Alto, California. The Google co-founder owns multiple properties in the area, but his Waverly Oaks estate stands out. Spanning 47,000 square feet, it includes a massive 8,000 square foot mansion and a 6,000 square foot green home made from sustainable materials. The estate is designed to promote eco-friendly living with solar panels, organic materials, and energy-efficient systems in place. Page's compound is not only luxurious but also eco-conscious. The green home is designed with cutting-edge technology for energy efficiency, while the main house features a smart home system that ensures ultimate convenience and comfort. Large gardens, a swimming pool, and ample outdoor spaces provide the perfect setting for relaxation and outdoor activities. Page's investment in both sustainability and luxury makes this estate one of the most impressive in the area. 6. Elon Musk's Bel Air estate, California. Next, we have Elon Musk's stunning estate in Bel Air, California. The founder of Tesla and SpaceX bought this $17 million property in 2012, and it's clear that it was worth every penny. With over 20,000 square feet of living space, this modern mansion is a testament to Musk's love for futuristic design and high-tech living. The estate features a sleek, modern aesthetic, complete with a 2-story library, a home theater, and a private tennis court. Musk's Bel Air estate also boasts panoramic views of both the city and the Pacific Ocean, offering a stunning backdrop to the luxurious living spaces. The property includes a swimming pool, a wine cellar, and a 5-car garage, ensuring that every luxury is at your fingertips. With cutting-edge technology incorporated into every part of the home, this estate represents the perfect blend of style, comfort, and innovation. 7. Peter Thiel's South Maui Sanctuary, Hawaii. Let's now take a look at Peter Thiel's incredible beachfront property on the island of Maui, Hawaii. This $25 million estate spans several acres and features multiple pavilions wrapped around a central courtyard with a swimming pool. The property is designed to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings, offering stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and Maui's lush coastline. Thiel's South Maui Sanctuary is a perfect retreat for those seeking privacy and peace. The estate includes a private gym, spa, and a fully equipped kitchen, offering everything needed for ultimate relaxation. Whether you're lounging by the pool or enjoying the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape, Thiel's estate provides the perfect balance of luxury and tranquility. It's an oasis in one of the world's most desirable locations. 8. Michael Dell's Raptor Residence, Hawaii. Last but not least, we have Michael Dell's Raptor Residence on the Big Island of Hawaii. This $64.8 million estate offers luxury living on a sprawling oceanfront property in the gated community of Kukio. The property features modern architecture with 23 rooms, including 5 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and a fitness center. Dell's estate is designed with Hawaiian architecture in mind, blending separate pavilion structures with outdoor spaces that capture the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The compound also boasts luxurious amenities such as a private helipad, tennis court, and swimming pool. Whether you're relaxing in the spa, enjoying a meal by the ocean, or taking in the stunning views, Dell's estate offers the ultimate luxury living experience. With world-class facilities and breathtaking scenery, this estate represents the pinnacle of luxury for a modern billionaire. So there you have it, 8 of the most luxurious compounds owned by the world's tech billionaires. Whether nestled in the mountains of California or perched on a private island in Hawaii, these estates showcase the perfect mix of privacy, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. These tech moguls know how to enjoy the fruits of their success and style, creating properties that blend luxury with function and exclusivity. Which compound would you choose if money were no object? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content on the world's most extravagant homes and lifestyles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.